Hey, what is going on, everybody? Dan here from TechFit360. I'm sure you all know that the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation has already been released. Today, I'll be showing you some mounting options. Sure, you can set your Echo Dot on a table or even on a desk, but that's so boring, right? Today on the channel, I have a couple of mounts for your new Echo Dot from TotalMount. It's time for my Tech Snack series, so let's get to it. So before we get started, I would like to invite you to take a moment and subscribe to the channel. I promise that I'll be here when you get back. And also click the notification bell to be alerted each time I post a new video. Another thing before we get started, I want to thank TotalMount for making today's video possible. Not only did they supply the mounts for today's video, but also hooked me up with a 3rd generation Echo Dot. If you check out the company's website, you'll discover they create mounts for the Apple TV, the Fire TV, Cloud Cam, Apple Airport, and also some gaming mounts. Okay, now first let's have a look at the TotalMount outlet and wall mount. I like having options when it comes to placing my Echo Dot. Let's see what we have in the box. There's an instruction manual that will guide you through the 3 secure mounting options. The Echo Dot mount made of hard plastic with a sleeve for cable management control. The only color available right now is white, and also included are the mounting screws and pin. Now, if you choose the wall mount method, you'll have to use the provided screws for the install. Of course, you still need to be fairly close to an outlet for power. I'm doing the power outlet method. 2 ways to accomplish this. I've already removed the sleeve, so now place the mount over the outlet without removing any screws. Then insert the pin into the center hole of the mount. Make sure the outlet holes line up. Then insert the power adapter into the TotalMount and wind the cable around the mount in the cable storage area. Reattach the sleeve, plug in the Echo Dot, and you're good to go. In the next method, we will secure the mount by removing the outlet center screw and attaching the TotalMount to the outlet by inserting the included screw into the second hole. This is the hole right below where we inserted the pin. Insert the adapter, wind up the cable, plug up the Echo Dot 3, and again, you're good to go. Your Echo is ready to almost obey your every command. Now, as you can see here, although the Echo Dot 3 is physically only using one outlet because it's so large, it's going to block that other outlet. So this is something you should consider when deciding on where you want to place your Echo Dot. Next is the whole free wall mount. No drilling needed for this one. This comes in both black and white color mounts. Inside this box, you get the user manual, 2 screws just in case you want a more secure mount, and 2 adhesive strips. First, I recommend cleaning the wall area before attaching the adhesive strips. Simply attach the strips to the mount. The black lettering on the tape is informing you that this is the wall side adhesive. Attach to the wall, let it sit an hour, and then place the dot inside the flex arms, give it some juice, and you're all done.
Thank you for watching today's video.
You know, the great thing about using the adhesive strips is that you can easily remove the mount without any damage to your wall. You can pick up more adhesive strips from places like Walmart, Home Depot, the Dollar Tree may even sell them. I feel the greatest benefit of having mounts like these is the protection it provides. It's going to be pretty hard to spill something on your Echo Dot or knock it off your desk by accident. I've done both. So everybody, what do you think about these mounts? Will you love it or leave it? Please leave me some comments down below. I'll be giving 2 of these mounts away, and I'll choose my winners from the first 20 subscribers who let me know they are interested in the comment section below. If you're interested in purchasing some of these Total mounts for yourself, just follow the links in my description. The outlet and wall mount sells for $14.99. The white hole free mount sells for $11.99, and the black hole free mount sells for $12.99. I think these items will make excellent Christmas gifts for Echo Dot 3 owners. Thank you so much for watching. Give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed today's video. Please connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe for more tech videos. Now, go out and do a random act of kindness for someone, and I'll see you right back here in my very next video. God bless.